Hi everyone, Luke here. Welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is very special, very human, and very common, even for native speakers. We're going to talk about social anxiety. But don't worry, I'll explain everything in very simple English using real-life examples, friendly conversations, and short phrases you can practice today. If speaking English sometimes makes your heart beat fast, if you feel nervous when you meet new people, if you avoid conversations because you don't know what to say, then this lesson is for you. And guess what? You are not alone. Millions of people feel this way, in English and in their own language. So, sit with me for a few minutes, breathe slowly, and let's learn together. 1. What is social anxiety? Let's begin with the meaning. Social anxiety sounds like a difficult expression, but the idea is easy. Social means about people and interactions. Anxiety means a feeling of nervousness, worry, or stress. So, social anxiety means feeling nervous when you talk to people or when you are around people. Maybe your hands get cold. Maybe your heart beats faster. Maybe your mind starts thinking, what should I say? What if I make a mistake? This is normal. I feel this sometimes. Everyone feels this sometimes. And English learners feel this extra because speaking a new language is already a big challenge. That's why this lesson is important, so you can feel calmer, more prepared, and more confident. 2. Why does social anxiety happen when we speak English? Let me explain with simple ideas. When you speak in your native language, words come naturally. But when you speak in English, your brain works harder. You think about vocabulary, you think about pronunciation, you think about grammar, you think about mistakes, you think about what other people might think of you. It's like your mind is carrying 5 backpacks at the same time. So your brain says, this is too much, I'm nervous. Totally normal. But here is something important. People don't expect perfect English from you. They expect connection, not perfection. This small idea can transform the way you talk to people. Situation 1. Talking at work. Let's imagine your first day at a new job. You walk into the office. Everything is new. The desks, the people, the routines. You don't know anyone's name. You feel alone and a little scared. What can you do? Start with the smallest step possible. A smile. And one simple phrase. Good morning. That's it. 2 words, but they open the door. After that, you can add, I'm Luke, or my name is Luke. These are easy, friendly, and natural. Let's practice a small conversation. Very short, very realistic. Person. Good morning. You must be new here. You. Good morning. Yes, I'm Luke. Person. Welcome, Luke. Nice to meet you. You. Nice to meet you too. Only 4 lines. Very simple. And it already builds connection. Remember this. You don't need long sentences. You just need something to start. Situation 2. Talking in class as a student. Now, imagine you arrive in an English class. Everyone is already sitting. You look around. Everyone looks more confident than you. Your brain says, I don't belong here. But listen, everyone in that room is learning. Everyone is nervous. Everyone wants to connect. You can use this easy starter. Excuse me, is this seat free? It's perfect because it's polite, it's simple, it creates conversation. It helps you sit next to someone and continue talking. Let's practice. You, excuse me, is this seat free? Student, yes, it is. You, thanks, I'm Luke. Student, nice to meet you, Luke. You, nice to meet you too. You can stop there. Or you can add something about the class. The teacher seems really nice. I hope I can improve my English this year. Short sentences, easy to say. They show friendliness without pressure. Situation 3, talking to strangers. This one can be scary for many people. Strangers? In English? But small talk is not deep conversation. Small talk is simple. And the easiest topic in the world is the weather. English speakers use it all the time. Here are some perfect phrases for you. It's a beautiful day. It's really cold today. Wow, it's raining a lot today. You can also add a friendly tag question. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? It's cold today, isn't it? Tag questions are soft invitations. They help the other person answer without pressure. Let's practice a small conversation. You, it's a beautiful day, isn't it? Stranger, yes, it really is. You, perfect day for a walk. Stranger, definitely. Simple, natural, no personal questions, no difficult vocabulary. Tips to reduce social anxiety. Let me share a few very helpful tips you can use today. Tip 1. Practice small talk alone. Yes, talk to yourself. Look in the mirror and say, "Hello, how are you? It's a nice day. My name is Luke." It trains your mouth, your voice, and your confidence. Tip 2. Breathe slowly before speaking. When you're nervous, your breathing becomes short and fast. This makes speaking harder. Try this. Breathe in slowly for 3 seconds. Hold for 1 second. Breathe out slowly for 4 seconds. You will instantly feel calmer. Tip 3. Don't aim for perfection. You are not a robot. You are a human learning a language. You don't need perfect grammar to connect with people. People will understand you even if you make small mistakes. Tip 4. Celebrate tiny progress. Did you say good morning today? Great job. That's progress. Did you ask, is this seat free? Amazing. That's connection. Every small conversation is a victory. Tip 5. Prepare tiny scripts. Have 2 to 3 ready-made sentences in your mind, like, "Hi, I'm Luke. Nice to meet you. Do you work here? Is this seat free?" These small scripts help reduce fear because you already know what to say. Common mistakes A1 learners make and how to fix them. Let's talk about a few mistakes beginner learners often make. Mistake 1. Saying, "I am fine," too often. It's correct, but too formal. Native speakers prefer, "I'm good," "I'm pretty good," "not bad." Short, simple, natural. Mistake 2. Giving very long answers. If someone asks, "Is this your bag?" you don't need to say, "Yes, this is my bag." You can simply say, "Yes," or Yes, it is. Short answers sound more natural. Mistake 3. Apologizing too much. Some learners say sorry every time they speak. You don't need to do this. Mistakes are normal. Say sorry only when necessary, not every sentence. Mistake 4. Speaking too quietly. When you are nervous, your voice becomes soft. People can't hear you. Then you feel even more embarrassed. Try to speak a little louder, not too loud, just clear. Mistake 5. Overthinking the grammar. Communication is more important. If people understand your message, you succeeded. Practice with me. Now, let's practice the key phrases together. I'll say them slowly, then you repeat. Hello. Good morning. My name is Luke. Now, some meeting people phrases. It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you too. Now questions to start a conversation. Is this seat free? Is this the English class? Now some small talk. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Yes, it is. Great work! Keep practicing. Write these sentences in your notebook. Say them 3 times today. Morning, afternoon, night. Before we finish today's lesson, I want to remind you of something important. You can learn English. You can talk to people. You can start small conversations. Social anxiety doesn't mean you are weak. It means you care. Every big journey starts with one small step. And every confident English speaker started exactly where you are right now. Keep practicing, keep trying, keep smiling. I believe in you, and you should believe in yourself too. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. If this lesson helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And tell me in the comments, what makes you nervous when speaking English? I read every comment, and I love hearing from you. See you tomorrow for another simple and friendly English conversation. Goodbye for now.